So this is our website, online discussion forum. The name of our website is Entech Forum. See here you can see that. So this is our website logo. This is the name of our forum. This is the home page, about us page, contact top categories page, contact page, search button, login button, sign up button. This is the cursor page. In this we have used the API, so when we'll refresh it, the images will change. Same as we have done this in the card, in this cards also. This is the discussion cards. See, the photos are this. Now I'll refresh it. The cards has changed. So this is the card for the discussion. Let's start the discussion. Now we'll go to, let's say, software. So here it is start a discussion, but here they are saying you are not logged in. Please log in to be able to start a discussion. So first we have to sign up and log in. Okay, so let's start. So when we'll log in, the message will come here like this: welcome this@that.com. So now the user can start the discussion. Say start a discussion. This is the problem title. So now we'll write. Here we have wrote the discussion, what is break tag, and here it is written asked by this@that.com. So the user has logged in from with that email ID, so it will show here that only this@that.com. So if the user wants to comment, so here it is. Suppose I have wrote this break tag is used in, okay, suppose for example I have wrote this, so post comment. So here also it will be written this@that.com commented at, here it is the date and time. Okay, so now if we, so now next is, if we click on this home button, it will be redirect to the home page. Same as same it will be done in Entech forum name and logo name. Let's see, Entech forum, and if we click on logo, it will be show like this only. So moving further, now it is about page. About page, this is our website name, Entech forum. This is the logo. This is the introduction of our page. These are the services, and these are our top 3 experts who have seen this website, and these are the developers of the website. If we click on them, if we click on the name, it will directly open the mail, and we can contact them. Okay, see, for all 3. And for more details, this is the details of developers. If we click on this will show directly show our college website. This is our Somya Vidyavihar college website, Polytechnic, and we have done under the mentorship of Miss Varsha Kinge. If we click on that, it will be redirect to that email, so we can we can contact them, her also. Okay, so this is the top categories page. If the user doesn't want to scroll down and see all the names, so the user can click on top categories page and find the discussion topic and you can start the discussion. Suppose the user wants the to discuss on cyber security. So he or she will click on cyber security and it will redirect to that page and can start the discussion. So after that is the contact us page. So in contact us page, let's write name, email ID, subject and feedback. So in this you can make the inquiry also and you can give the feedback also. Suppose here I am writing I want to learn HTML. So your inquiry has been sent. See now this is sending and one message is shown to us. Message sent, thank you for contacting us. So it will redirect to our college, our website and tech forum. So mail has sent to our website. I want to learn HTML. Okay. So our message is sent. So you can send us feedback also. So after that, this is our KGSP college map, our polytechnic map. Okay. So this is our NTech forum email. So suppose you want to message us directly, so you can click on this and you will redirect to our mail and write the mail. Okay, this is the contact number. See, you can call us from this. So these are the timings of our college, Monday to Saturday 9 AM to 6 PM. And you can follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. See, our pages, our social media pages, NTech forum, our Facebook page and our Instagram page. So go follow there also. Okay. So this all is done. So and now the search button is left. So for search button, first you have to compulsorily log in. See, I have logged in. So now it will work. How to use CSS. Okay, it will redirect to that page. Suppose I have not yet logged in, so I have logged out. Okay, now I will type CSS. No results will found because I have not yet logged in. First I have to log in. c3s@redhat.com. First I will log in, and now it is working properly. So for for search button working, we have to first logged in. Okay, see search button, and if any content is not there, see if I write iframe search, no results found. Okay, so if the user wants to discuss commonly, we have the common discussion page. You can discuss here also, but if the user wants to add the page and not satisfied with this common discussion page, the user can go to contact us page. Here write all the details and write the subject and send the inquiry. After sending the inquiry, the email admin will add the topic to the cards. Okay.